Hello everyone, welcome to Bees and Bikinis. If this is your first time tuning in, please like and subscribe for more great beekeeping videos and occasionally me in a bikini while I'm doing it. In this video I'm just going to take you through making your own pollen patties at home. Got a puppy trying to get through here. And I use a bee feed or a bee pollen substitute. I use Hive Alive, which is bee vitamins. It's made in Quebec. The bee feed's made here in Ontario, Canada. And also I use a sugar syrup that I make as well, just using white granulated sugar. So I'm just going to show you everything I add to it, and hopefully it helps some of you who are new to beekeeping. Pollen patties in the spring as you're starting out the year really boosts your colony until the pollen and the nectar flow comes. So they feed pollen to the brood or the bee babies. So it really boosts the colony for the year and gives them a head start before all the natural pollen comes out. They generally don't really bother with it once the natural pollen comes out, so it's just there until the weather warms up and gets better because it's pretty unpredictable this time of year. Anyway, take care. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through, as long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
Mixer, and I'm gonna put on the big paddle because it's gonna get quite thick quite fast. So I'm using this because it looks a little more heavy duty. I'm gonna put my pollen in first before I tighten this down. It's gonna get flowery and floofy, so I'm gonna put the guard on, and then I'll show you the different things I'll be adding to the pollen substitute. So I've got the pollen in here. Now I'm going to add my sugar syrup, but before I pour that in, I'm going to also add Hive Alive to the sugar syrup and some canola oil. of the dry pollen substitute and make it a little thicker. That's what I'm looking for. Look at that. So there's the consistency, kind of like fresh Play-Doh. So I'm just going to roll this out on some parchment paper. And all will be well. That's more than enough for our bees. Folks, I just made a ton of pollen patties, way more than I probably ever need. So I put them in the fridge and we're going to bring them out to the bees in a day or two. How's that for you, Gert? Oh my lord. She still wants to go back in. Go in there, Orv. Here come the zoomies. How was it, Gert?